everybody, it's Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today we have an 8-minute follow along full body warm up. We are going to warm up from our heads all the way down to our toes, so you're ready for whatever exercise you're about to do. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout, and give me a thumbs up if you love this video. As I said, this is follow along 8 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Okay, you're gonna get started here with some arm circles. So you're gonna go around with the hands in 2 and then back out for 2. Round, round. I want you to find yourself a big, nice deep breath. Inhale, exhale, all the way to the ceiling, straight into your first thing. We're gonna go squat pulses. I'm gonna turn side on so you can see. So we're gonna go down, lift up, go drop, and lift. Go down, press for 2, lift 1. So it's like you're dropping down into a chair, but then you change your mind. Down, go down, lift. You want your knees tracking over that middle toe. Drop, lift, down. So you really want to stick that booty out behind yourself. Drop, squeeze, lift, down, down. So you're warming up those legs. Clasp the hands together. Pull the navel away from your thighs. Lift. Press down for 2, lift up. You go, you got 5 more here. Lift up. Go 4, press down, lift up. 3 more. Lift. You can feel it in those thighs. Lift up. 1 more. Drop, drop, lift. From here, we're going to gallop side to side. Now, I see this a lot on YouTube, and everybody is in massive open spaces. They've got full gyms. They've got full studios. I've not. I have my spare bedroom, and it's not that big. So if I can gallop side to side and get my heart rate high and warm up the whole of the body, you can too. Side to side, gallop and gallop. So you just want to change those feet like a shuttle run, basically, side to side. Keep on breathing. Breathe and exhale. That heart rate should be starting to get up now. Keep going. Whew. You've just got another 10 more seconds here. My mat's going everywhere. Keep going. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Then I'm just going to move my mat. Then we're going to come into an inchworm. So I want you to bring the hands to the ceiling. Walk into a plank. Do not dip those hips down. Walk back in. And then again, reach up. Inchworm, walk all the way out, hold a plank, walk all the way back in again. I see a lot of people do this. Don't do that. You will just wake up with low backache tomorrow. Squeeze the abs in now, hold strong, back in. Keep on going. You have 4 of these. Out, inchworm, hold, back in again. 3 more of these to go. Inchworm, hold, back in again. You've got it. 2 more. Stick with me. All the way out, back in again. This last one, you're going to hold it in towards a plank. I want everyone to step their feet together. Then you're going to squeeze your thighs together, squeeze your glutes together, shoulders over the top of the wrist, and hold. Pull the belly button up to the spine. Squeeze everything in. Give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, lower the knees in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower the knees down, quick breath. Lower down to the forearms, tuck the toes under, step the feet backwards, hold yourself a forearm plank. Modification, you're down on the knees. Hold here. Rotate right fingertips to your left elbow. Create the letter L, roll onto the forearm. Lift the hand up. We're gonna go up, 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 up. If this is you, stay here. If you need the modification, underneath knee, lowest to the floor. Which one are you in today? Both should be challenging. Whichever one you pick should be challenging your body. Go lift. 7, 6, 5, warming up those obliques. 4, 3, 2, hold. Try not to collapse down. Back through the center. Remember modification, fleshy part of your knees are on the floor. Other side, left fingertips to right elbow, roll side plank, Lift the right arm up to the ceiling, hold here, then lift with the hip, squeeze up. This is a great one for warming up your abs. You're getting that core engaged, whole body is getting ready for whatever workout you're doing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Do not drop down. Stick with me back to the center. Forearms down. Keep the knees lifted. Squeeze your inner thighs together and hold here. Pull the abs up. You can feel it in your lower back. Lift your hips higher. Squeeze those abs in. 8 seconds here. 7, 6. Lower the knees in. 5. You've got to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Push the hips backwards. Really quick breather. Slowly you're going to go ahead, roll yourself all the way up. Hands come back underneath the shoulders. You're going to extend your left leg lock. You're going to go ahead, opposite hand to toe, then extend out. Hold here. Hips down to the floor, navel is squeezing in. You're going to tap the toe and the hand down, press all the way up and lift. Tap all the way down, squeeze up and lift. Again, I'm very conscious of room here that you've got to work out. So, if you've not got enough room to take a full extension, fingertips to toes, you can always bend this knee and just go down and up again if you've got less room. If not, extend both nice and long, squeeze and lift. This is great for warming up the shoulders, warming up your abs, warming up your glutes and your hamstrings. You've got 3 more than you're going to hold. Tap, squeeze up, lift. You've got 2 more, tap down, squeeze up and lift. 1 more, tap down. Then you're going to lift up, hold here, 8 seconds. 7, 6, switch that other side, in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick shake off. Other leg, extend backwards, lift up. Now you must have your opposite hand to foot. Tap the floor, squeeze up and lift. Tap down, squeeze and lift. Keep going. So right now you want to be thinking about really pulling those abs in, getting your core engagement. Hips are both pointed to the floor and you are squeezing through the glute and the shoulder as you lift. Squeeze up and lift. You've got it. 4 more here. Press up, lift. You've got 3 more here. Squeeze up and lift. Just 2 more. Squeeze up and lift. 1 more. Squeeze, lift and hold. Now just hold here. 7, 6. You've got to go. 5. Go 4. Pull the abs in. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick shake off. Last part here to your warm up. You're going to warm up your arms. Bring the feet round to the front, heels dig in. Fingertips go to your heels and then lift the tailbone up and away. Tricep dips. Bend, press, bend, press. And you can either stay up here with me where you've got the glutes off the floor. Modification, the glutes are on the floor. Bend, press. Whichever one you are in, you are bending the elbows and your hips are only moving because of that bend. Keep going. Down, lift. I know you are burning. We're just warming up those arms. Give me 6 more, then it's over. Go bend, go press, just go 4. Lift, you've got it. 3, press up. 2, last one. And lift. Well done. You have made it through your 8-minute warm up. Let's now end here on the floor. Bring your feet round behind yourself. Take a little cat and cow. Inhale, scoop. Get the spine moving. Exhale, press. Inhale, scoop. Exhale, press. Back to neutral spine. Tuck both the toes under. Press the heels down. Downward dog. The heels press low. Hips press high and hold. Just feel it down the back of the legs. And then walk the hands all the way in. Little hamstring stretch. Bend through the knees. Roll up through the vertebrae all the way up. Shoulders come up, head comes up. Give me a little shoulder roll back. Little shoulder roll forward. And well done, you are definitely ready for whatever workout you are going to take today. As I said at the start of this video, if you want a workout after this, head back to my homepage and you can find a range of different exercise routines on there. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you give me a subscribe. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.